I'm back! This is Fe Soralta Sibugero, a mathematics teacher of Malaybalay City Central School, Malaybalay City, or just call me Fe Sensei. Today, I'm going to discuss about multiplying and dividing decimals. Are you ready, guys? Hold on and watch for the PowerPoint presentation. Multiplying decimals. To multiply, you do not line up the factors by the decimal, like we did in adding and subtracting decimals. Instead, place the number with more digits on the top, then line up the other number underneath. Then multiply. Count the number of decimal places from the right in each factor. Use the total number of decimal places in your two factors to place the decimal in your product. For example, 5 and 63 hundredths times 3 and 7 tenths. So, let's multiply like multiplying whole number. 3 times 7 equals 21. So, write 1, then carry 2. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 2 is 44, carry 4. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4, it is 39. Then, the second number, 3 times 3 is 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times 6 is 18. 8 carry 1. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Then add the two product. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, it's 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then, there are two decimal places to the right. 1, 2. That's 2. Then, in the we have 1. So, add 2 and plus 1 equals 3. So, count from the right to the left. So, that's it. 1, 2, 3, and write the decimal point. Got it? Again, multiply the numbers like multiplying whole number. Then, on the total product, count the number of decimal places on both factors. Then the total will be the number of decimal place in the product. So we have here 1, 2, 3. So from the right, 1, 2, 3. So 5 and 63 hundredths times 3 and 7 tenths equals 20 and 831 thousandths. Another example, 53 hundredths times 2 and 618 thousandths. 2 and 618 thousandths has more digits. We have 4, then 53 hundredths, we have only 3. So it goes on top. 2 and 618 thousandths times 53 hundredths. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 times 6 equals 18. 8 carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, it's 7. Then the second digit. 5 times, you have to write 0 in this place, because the first answer of this number should be written aligned with this number. So 5 times 8 is 40. And we have to cross out the carry so that you will not be confused. So 8 times 5 is 40. 0 carry 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, it's 9. 5 times 6 is 30. 0 carry 3. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Then the 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 equals 0. Then add. That's 4, 5, 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 3. Then 1. Then count the number of decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2. We have 2. So the total is 5. So count from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Got it? I hope. Let's try this. 15 and 3/10 times 6 and 5/10. So we have 5 times 3, 15, carry 5, carry 1. 5 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26, 6 carry 2. Then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Then the next number, 6 times 3 is 18, carry 1. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. 1 carry 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Then on. So 5, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, then bring down 9. Then the number of decimal places, we have 1, 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we have 1, 2. And that's the answer. Now, dividing decimals. Before we divide, let's review first the vocabulary of decimals, of division, I mean. The outside number is our divisor. The inside is our dividend. And on the roof, the answer is the quotient. So 12, and read first the number inside, or the dividend. So 12 and 64 hundredths divided by 2 tenths. How to do it? 12 and 64 hundredths divided by 2 tenths. So that's it. The divisor is 2 and the dividend is 12 and 64 hundredths. The steps in dividing decimals. Make the divisor or the outside number a whole number by moving the decimal to the right as many places as it takes to make it a whole number. So make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal to the right as many places to make it a whole number. So, the divisor is 2 tenths. We had to move the decimal point. Then, move the decimal point one place to the right because the number is now a whole number. Then, step 2. Move the decimal point in the dividend the same number of places as the divisor. This is the dividend, and you have to move the decimal point to the right like you move in the divisor. So, move 1. So, move here 1, and the decimal point is here. Okay, so third, place the decimal point in the answer or in the quotient or in the roof lined up with a decimal point in the dividend. So we move here 1, so we move here 1 place. Then place the decimal point aligned on the dividend. Now divide as usual. Divide the numbers, make sure the decimal point stays lined up. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. And so the answer is 63 and 2 tenths. Got it? Okay. Again, to divide 12, because if we're going to start on 1, then there is no 2 in 1. Therefore, the 2 digits, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, the answer is this. Got it? That's all. And thank you. So that's it. That's how to divide and multiply decimals. Got it? Just review and do your activities on your modules. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Math Magic with Sensei. Bye-bye!